How to password protect any file or folder on Windows 11. First, go to the folder that you want to add password. Then open a text document. Paste the code here. You can find this on the description box below. Now look if not part in the code. Add your desired password here. Now save the file. Click on Save as Type. Then select all files. Then rename the file with .bat in the file name. Then click on Save. Now double click on the .bat file. It will create a folder named as Private. Move your files in this folder. Then double click on the .bat file again. A window will open. It will ask if you want to lock this folder. Type Y and then press enter. Done. The folder has been locked. Now you will need to enter the password to access the folder. And that's how you can password protect any file or folder on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.